Hello everybody, and welcome back to Cry of Fear. So yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna just pick up where I left off, which is right here. So, I freaking went through the apartments and whatever, and I got a key down here, and now I gotta go through here. So, yeah. I guess I'll see what's in store for me. And, what's that? Ah! What's that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Ah! Okay. Oh my freaking. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what that freaking was. I don't know what they are. What's happening? I'm not freaking. I'm not freaking. Okay guys, I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know what's happening, and I don't know what those things are, and that's pretty freaking creepy. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. What's that? What is that? What? What's happening? What is this place? No! What happened? Okay, I'll go through here. Okay. Oh my god. What is happening? Don't budge, don't budge. Okay, I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. Oh my. Okay. Okay, get her. Okay. What? Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, this game is so scary. I don't even know what's happening. What? They blocked it? Who? Who? I guess I go through here? I don't know. I don't know what's happening, guys. Hello? What's that say? Machinery room. Guys? Okay. I guess I go through here. Don't budge. Okay. Alright. Don't budge. Okay, so that's do I go through here? No? Alright. So I gotta freaking do maybe I go up here and cause I don't really know what you do. I don't know where I'm supposed to go right now. I don't know what that even says. Alright. This door won't budge. I might. Can't call the elevator. Can my freaking go through here? Alright, what's through here then? Hello? Oh yeah, I was already here. And, then what the? I guess I freaking, hello? I don't know where I go. I don't get through! Okay. I'll just keep going around until freaking maybe here? Am I like... Do I go up here? Hello? Hello? Okay. Can't call it a freaking elevator. Ah. Right. Sound like freaking... I don't know where to go! I don't know where to go! Ah! Those freaking bars are there, and then I can't even go through there. I don't even, like, know where I'm going. It says the door won't budge. Door won't budge. I'll just go down here. Maybe I need to, like, go up here. Door won't budge. Out here, door won't budge. Oh! Lock is jammed. Door won't budge. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me! Right. Alright, but I think I'll go like through here then. And, do I go through here? Hello? Hello? Guys, this thing is so scary. I don't know where I'm even freaking going. Wait, what was that? I'm peeking. Do I go through here then? Okay. I'm gonna go back down here. Cause like, I think I was like supposed to... I need a video player to be... So like, I need to find like a TV or something. But I don't know where that is. It's not here. Is it like somewhere? Maybe it's like through here. Maybe I accidentally went the wrong way. This is floor 1. And like if we can go down here and go through here, maybe. Did I like freaking go the wrong way? Like where am I? I'll go through here. And this is where I just was. So like, does that mean I go through here? Guys, I don't know where I'm going. This game's so confusing. And there's like scary monsters and whatever. Whenever I'm like trying to figure out where I'm going and whatnot. Alright, I don't like see no TV anywhere. I guess I'll just keep going through here. Wait, where am I? What? Okay, well, I just went around in a freaking circle! It's gotta be through here! Like, it freaking doesn't make any sense! Like, none of these doors open up, but... What? Freaking goodness. It's totally blocked up. I can't open it. Okay, so where am I going? Do I have a freaking... I don't have anything in my notes. Am I going through here? No, cause like, I've already been here multiple times. And there hasn't any freaking... Like, I don't even know what I'm freaking doing! Alright. Maybe like... But then I already went through there, and that was the wrong way. And then that you can't even go through. And it's like... Alright. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna figure out what I'm freaking doing. Because this doesn't even make... Alright, guys. I'm back. I figured out what you need to do. So, like... There's, like, this freaking TV here. And you can, like, freaking... do that. And watch it. So... Guess about to see what this is. What? What's happening? What? Oh, who's that? Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? What? No! 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 What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Get freaky. Get like the freaky. Go. Get a gun. Okay. You guys, I don't even know what's freaking happening. And I don't know what. Okay, wait. No, freaky! Freaky, no! What? Don't even make freaky. Alright. Okay. Where am I going? Okay. And then like I just freaking like I think that was the code of the elevator. Cause like 4729. I freaking did it, guys! Alright. Freaking did it. Finally, alright! Making progress! Okay. Now I like freaking go down here, whatever. I don't like know what I'm freaking. Alright. What the? What happened? What happened? Where's the blood everywhere? Why is there like freaking ammo everywhere? Okay. At least I got free ammo. I don't know why there's bars everywhere. Why is that like freaking... Okay, and I think I just keep going down here. I don't know why it's like so freaking long. It wasn't out like that before, I don't think. There are only like a couple floors. What is this area? Hello? Oh, okay, I guess I'll save. You guys, I don't even know what's like freaking happening right now. What's this? Huh, is that new? What? What? Ah! What's this? What is that? What is it? Oh! What is it? No! No! What is it? What is it? What is it? Run! No! 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 Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! What is that? What is that? Ew! 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 Oh my god! What? Oh my god! Kill it! No! No! Oh my god! What is that? What is that? What is that? Okay, okay, oh my god. Oh my god! No! 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 What's happening? What's happening? No! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! What is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys! You guys! No! No! I'm gonna die! No! Oh my god! Guys, I'm almost out of ammo! No, please! Oh my god! No! Yes! Yes! No! You gotta be freaking kidding me! No! Oh my gosh! God, guys, you gotta be freaking kidding me! I freaking redo that! Okay, I freaking, but like I shoot that weird little hump on his back, and then he like freaking dies from it. So, alright, I'll freaking like, freaking. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What a freak is that? What is that? It's like so freaking gross, dude. What is that? Like, stop messing with me, bro. Mess with on your own side. No, stop that freaking swinging that chainsaw at me, bro. Not cool. Stop. No. Don't freaking even get close, bro. Freaking like reload quick, bro. No, I didn't mean to freaking do that. Oh, no, I just like lost all my freaking ammo and stuff. Oh wait. No, I got freaking. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's pick it! What just happened? What was that?
Did I pass out? Who's that?
Relax. I am not one of them.
Who are you then?
What? That doesn't make freaking sense, bro!
It's very dangerous.
Wait. Why are you wearing a gas mask?
Yeah.
I used to wear something, but I look back on one thing.
You're stupid. You're a stupid idiot. Gosh, don't even freaking...
I don't know if you're real.
What do you mean? Yes, I am. I'm right here. Freaking delusional. Gosh. Alright, guys. Well, I don't even like freaking... I don't even know what to say. No, it's so freaking like creepy and gross and scary. I mean, like, who's that guy? Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of this one, and stay tuned for more Cry of Fear videos. Make sure to rate 5 stars and favorite this video, and like leave a comment, and like make sure to subscribe, and yeah, Dr. Diamond out.